RDA, the co-chairman of the RDA, the secretary also was elected, and the secretary also was elected.
The Congress Party is optimistic of winning maximum seats in the upcoming MDC polls. CLP leader Ronnie V. Lyngdoh said that the party will hold a meeting soon to complete the formalities for the MDC elections. Informing that MDC election is crucial to the state, Lyngdoh said that Congress must be credited to give the state the 6th schedule and the district councils, which protects the rights of the indigenous communities of the state.
Please prepare. We're preparing. So soon we'll be having a meeting to complete the formality, because we have certain procedures. MDC election, or rather the district council, is so crucial to to the state of Nagaland. So I think people will judge. They'll not simply vote anyone. 75 years back, 76 years back, we have such a law that has protected us. Our land, our customary laws and usages, our language, our way of administration, the traditional way. So we are very fortunate.